Hey there, legends! If you're seeing black bars on the sides of your screen in Apex, don't worry. It's an easy fix. Today, I'll show you how to remove them in just a few steps. First, open Apex Legends and head to the Settings menu. Click on the Video tab. Look for the aspect ratio option. This is usually the culprit. Make sure it's set to match your monitor's native aspect ratio, like 16:9 for most modern screens. And click Apply. Next, check your resolution setting. Set it to your monitor's recommended resolution. In my case, mine is 1920 by 1080, and as you can see, it's already set to this one. Hence, you can see no more black bars. Try switching to a different resolution and then back to your preferred one to refresh the settings. So you could try this one. And then you could just switch it back. Just to make sure that you have the right one. Thus refreshing it. Here. Let me try it out for you. Go. Yep. There you go. Just set it back to refresh it. And that's it. No more black bars. Just pure, uninterrupted gameplay. See you in the Outlands, legends.